Have you ever wondered why some conversations just flow while others feel awkward or forced? What if I told you there's a simple reason and it's something you can master? Hey everyone, welcome back to English Lab, the place where we break down real conversations, explore powerful ideas, and help you become more confident in everyday speaking. Today's topic is one you don't want to miss. In this episode, we're diving into a real talk that reveals insights, tips, and even a few unexpected surprises that could change the way you speak and connect with others. So grab your headphones, settle in, and don't just watch, listen closely. This conversation might just shift your perspective. Let's get into it.
Oh, yeah. I've hit that wall more times than I can count. It's actually part of the process.
Seriously? I thought I was just doing something wrong.
Nah, it's totally normal. Learning a language has stages, kind of like leveling up in a game.
Really? What are the levels? Right now, I feel like I'm stuck on confused beginner.
Okay, so first, there's the survival stage. You learn the basics, like greetings, numbers, simple questions. Remember how proud you were the first time you ordered coffee in English?
Yes, I said, 1 latte, please, and the barista understood me. I felt like a superstar.
Exactly. Then comes the connection stage. You start having real conversations, even if you make mistakes. You understand more, and people start understanding you. That's where you probably are now.
I can understand people in movies better, but when I speak, I still feel slow, like I'm translating in my head.
That's normal. It means you're moving toward the thinking in English stage. It takes time, but one day you'll catch yourself speaking without even realizing it.
That sounds like magic.
It's not magic, it's just practice. At that point, you're close to fluency. You can joke, express feelings, and even argue in English.
Can't wait to argue in English. That's not what I meant, sir.
See, you've already got the attitude.
So, what do I do when I feel stuck? Like now?
Mix it up. If you've only been studying books, try talking with people. If you always watch English shows, try writing a daily journal. Change your routine and challenge yourself.
Yeah, I guess I've been doing the same things for months.
Exactly. Learning a language is like working out. If you keep lifting the same weight, your muscles stop growing.
That makes so much sense. So, even if I feel stuck, I'm still moving forward?
Totally. Hitting a plateau means you're on the edge of a breakthrough. Just don't quit now. Learning English is a journey. Feeling stuck doesn't mean you failed. It means you're growing. Change your routine, challenge yourself, and keep going. Fluency is closer than you think.
Take a moment today to try something new. Join a conversation group, write a short story, or speak out loud to yourself. Every step counts on the path to fluency.